Chemical engineering. Chemical engineering is an engineering field which deals with the study of operation and design of chemical plants as well as methods of improving production. Chemical engineers develop economical, commercial processes to convert raw materials into useful products. Chemical engineering uses principles of chemistry, physics, mathematics, biology, and economics to efficiently use, produce, design, transport, and transform energy and materials. The work of chemical engineers can range from the utilization of nanotechnology and nanomaterials in the laboratory to large-scale industrial processes that convert chemicals, raw materials, living cells, microorganisms, and energy into useful forms and products. Chemical engineers are involved in many aspects of plant design and operation, including safety and hazard assessment, process design and analysis, modeling, control engineering, chemical reaction engineering, nuclear engineering, biological engineering, construction specification and operating instructions. There is a figure. Chemical engineers design, construct, and operate process plants. Fractionating columns pictured. Chemical engineers typically hold a degree in chemical engineering or process engineering. Practicing engineers may have professional certification and be accredited members of a professional body. Such bodies include the Institution of Chemical Engineers, ICHEME, or the American Institute of Chemical Engineers, AICSE. In India, the equivalent body is the Indian Institute of Chemical Engineers, IICSE, which also conducts collaborative events with AICSE, that means American Institute of Chemical Engineers, and ICSE, that means Institution of Chemical Engineers. A degree in chemical engineering is directly linked with all of the other engineering disciplines to various extents. So that's all about